In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an appointment in Google Calendar. This process is pretty straightforward whether you're trying to free up some time or just clean up your schedule a bit. So let's dive right in and make it a breeze for you. First things first, we need to get ourselves over to Google Calendar. So go ahead and open up a web browser on your computer. In the search bar, type in Google Calendar and hit enter. You'll likely see Google Calendar pop up as the first result. Click on that link and it'll take you to the Google Calendar homepage. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your email address and then click the next button. After that, you'll need to type in your password. Don't worry, this is secure, just like when you log into any other Google service. Once you've input your password, go ahead and press next again, and soon you'll be inside your Google Calendar, ready to manage your appointments. Now that you're in the calendar, it's time to find the appointment you want to delete. Navigate through your calendar to locate the specific date and time of the appointment. Once you spot it, click on the appointment to open its details. You'll see various options here, but what we need is that little delete icon, usually represented by a trash can symbol. Give that a click. Once you've clicked the delete icon, a few different options might be presented to you, especially if the appointment is part of a recurring event. You might be asked if you want to delete just this instance, all future occurrences, or the entire series. Choose the option that best fits your needs. If it's just this one meeting causing a scheduling conflict, select that. Otherwise, decide accordingly based on your situation. After making your selection, you'll likely see an OK or Confirm button pop up. Click on that to finalize your choice. And that's it. Your appointment should now be deleted from the calendar, freeing up that slot for other activities or just giving you some much needed breathing room. If you made a mistake or need the appointment back, don't worry. Google Calendar has an easy undo option. You'll see it pop up right after the deletion at the top of the page, allowing you to undo if it was an accidental deletion. And there you have it. A simple and efficient guide to removing appointments from your Google Calendar. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel more in control of your schedule. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below.